First on cloud ba, sir? Can I make a suggestion? Pili mo yung tatlo. Dito ba? Personally, ako yan din. So guys, grabe, so sobrang thankful and surprising that, you know, our videos are reaching some of our fellow Filipinos in the US. What's up guys? We're sa Prism Store and today magbibenta tayo ng mga shoes. Samahan nyo ako. Actually, may study ngayon ng nag-compare sila ng mga running shoes. This one, and then the NB Fuel Cell, tapos the ASICS Nova Blast. So, ginawa nila, naglagay sila yung ball, tapos kung gaano kataas yung talbog. Yung pinaka-highest, so like 46 centimeters yung talbog ng bola. The others were around 38. So, it just shows how much cushioning they put on this shoe. It's really made for running, pero a lot of people are wearing it for walking kasi comfortable, tsaka magaan. Dami customers, dami transactions na nangyayari si Edison. And then si Jello nagko-close ng pre-order.
Kyrie po talaga.
Kyrie ba yung binili na madam? Anong Kyrie po?
Solar returns.
Okay. How much did we sell it?
8,500.
8,500 lang. One of the things na natutunan ko sa corporate world, I was with Jay, di ba? Nice to see you, nice to see you. Wala ka na sa corporate world, like, congratulations! Hi po. Ay, siyempre may discount. Hello po. Hello po.
So she was looking for Onitsuka.
For Onitsuka, meron naman tayong mga pre-order most of the time. We don't really stock up on those anymore kasi sobrang on-cloud yung in-demand ngayon. Eto, I fell in love with On kasi yung comfort ibang level talaga. Ano rin yun slip-on din yan madam Most on talaga, slip-on siya. Kasi made for parang convenience, comfort, yung suot mo agad ng ganun and all. Wala nang on hand but I can do a pre-order for you naman. Within, lang yun, 4 to 7 days. And then contact ka namin pag nandito na and then we can ship sa'yo. Yes, madam. Sige po. Sige po. Ipapa-reserve ko na to. Wag mo nang display. Ano na to? So ayun guys, one of my friends in the corporate world, si Janie. It's just fun to see these people, brings back memories, brings out the side of me na very corporate din. So yun, very different yung personality ko ngayon way back when. First on cloud ba, sir? Can I make a suggestion? Pili mo yung tatlo. Dito ba? Personally, ako yan din. Kasi, for example, ito, maganda nga siya, tsaka magandang terno, pero you might find yourself in BGC and then 10 other people are wearing the same stickers. Yun. Oo, so mangyayari nun, sasayaw kayo, sabay-sabay kayo, diba? Mapasama ka pa, diba? I can give you a discount. 13,500 na lang, sir, sa'yo. That's the lowest I've ever given for that pair. Done deal. Okay, thank you, sir. No problem. Nico nga po pala, I'm the owner of the shop. And what's your name, sir? Sir Anton, nice to meet you. And Madam Mika. Ayun, 13,500, let's go. Assist na lang kayo ni Jello for the checkout. Thank you, salamat.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you, madam. Salamat. Yes, boss. Sige. Sir, thank you. Salamat. So yun, sold kila Sir Anton and Ma'am Mika yung Cloud Tilt Cinder Sand colorway for only 13,500. Followers si boss. From US pa kayo. Saan yung US, boss?
Sa West Covina.
West Covina, California. Ano po yung mga suburbs naman?
Anong papalitan niyo?
Oh yes, we're gonna change to Prism. Yayabang mo lang yung boss yung target namin. So we're gonna change this to allowance and so and then yung counter din. We're leaning towards a little bit more luxurious kasi we want to sell more high-end products as well. Eh mga bayar, yan mga target ko mag-stock. Oh, actually. What's your name again, sir? Michael. Sir Michael.
Yeah,
thank you. And si Madam?
Mami.
Nico po.
Yeah, follow you guys.
Thank you, sir. Salamat. Sobrang nakakatawa kasi nakaabot na tayo sa iyo. Sobrang nakakatawa po.
Thank you. Dumaan lang kami kasi alis na rin kami.
Sige, sir.
Salamat. Thank you.
And nice to meet you po. God bless.
Okay. Thank you. Subscribe.
Thank you, sir. Bye. So guys, grabe, so sobrang thankful and surprising that, you know, our videos are reaching some of our fellow Filipinos in the US. So si Sir Michael's from California. So yan, sobrang wow, diba? Mga na-convince mo, sir, si madam na ako ng binubudol ka. Yan, pearl. Madaling bagayan kasi white. Ayan, okay din yun. Clove sand. Honestly, yan, yung bag. Yung sa outfit lang today, honestly, yung ganda siyang tignan. Can you make a suggestion again?
No! God, please, no!
And guys, comment below. Ano yung dapat bili ni Ma'am Mika, guys? Yan, okay. Sige, Pearl Eyes. We have a winner. Pearl Eyes, guys. Thank you, 13.5. So another sold. Sir Anton, guys, may incentive tayo sa best salesman natin for today, Sir Anton. Sir, thank you. Okay guys, it's the end of the day. Outro na naman. Dami natin nabentang shoes today. Pero one of the things I want to talk about is nagbabalik guys si Labubu. So meron tayong client na nag-reach out sa atin today. He needs 500 boxes of each. May V1, V2, and V3. Tagpa 500 boxes yung kailangan namin. Deliver nyo dito sa Getnay, sa Prism Store. Bibili namin. Ship namin sa US sa client namin. Drip check na. Okay, sige. So, for the cap, we have the Gallery Department cap. So, this is available sa Prism Store for pre-order for, I think, ngayon yung price is around 16,000 siya. And then, for the hoodie, we have the human-made hoodie from Korea. Binili natin sa kay Sir Errol. Shoutout again. So, we got this for 17,000 buying price natin. So, if we're gonna sell it for around 19,000. Okay, for the pants, what we have is mango. For the shoes naman, we have my favorite Cloud Tilt. So this is the Cloud Tilt Roxanne colorway. So it's an exclusive release, 2024 holiday release. It's sold here sa Get Nice for 17,500. And for the watch, we have the Patek. That's it.